Okay, guys, welcome back. Elon, everything okay? Can we continue trading while you do the battery day again, the rehearsal number 2? Okay, here we are. So it's not battery day, that was last week, but today is the first Monday after battery day. And we've been playing around here with Tesla. Started pretty good in pre-market. It went up up to 4%. When we launched at 9:30, it did another 0.5% more, almost reaching 5%, but then started falling and falling and falling and falling. That's when we started selling. And by the moment, actually we bought some in some dips, and when we said, okay, now we have to sell, obviously we sold and then started recovering. So as always, we are moving on the opposite direction as Tesla, okay? So Tesla is not an easy stock to watch. It's very volatile. And yeah, think about it. When it starts going down, many people start buying, and it's all about offer and demand. And so if people start buying, there's more demand, and then the price goes up. So here we are again. Let's see. We just passed the 200 moving average, which is very good sign of recovery. And now it will decide whether if we cross the 200 and then we cross the 50, that's going to mean another swap in trend. So how are we going to identify this? How are we going to check for this? Something that might help us is the RSI. See if there's any oversold or overbought moment. In this case, would be oversold. Although I always mix them up, but so far so good. We didn't reach the 80. We were close to it though. So yeah, now we'll use the MACD, and here you see we went up and tried to go down, but it didn't manage. It turned around and the same thing happened again, and it actually started going down. And it started going down with a big momentum. This height defines the momentum. The more distance between these 2 points, the more momentum on the way down. But this can change in any minute, boom, and turn around in the next one. So at the moment, we'll wait, see what happens, to see if we buy more or not. Why do we want to buy more? We see a recovery, okay? It's an inverse parabolic move that happened. If we follow the 200 moving average, oh no, needs 9, no. I didn't want to do that. I don't know now. Okay, that's the one I want, the brush. So if you follow the 200 moving average, it was going like that, and now it starts going like that. Okay, I'm exaggerating so you can see, but mostly it was about following the stock. It was going down and now started recovering, okay? If you look at the red line, it shows it nicer actually, the 50 moving average. 50-day moving average, it's perfect to see this parabolic change in trajectory. And now we see it's going to recover. So now we're going to see a way up. So I think now is the moment to buy more. We're going to do that. So how do we do this? We go here and we say we want to buy Tesla. So we click in the buy button. We want to buy with the left click, not the right click. And we're going to buy a 4, let's put 418 by now, and we'll buy 4 shares. So here you can see the financial tax we're going to pay for the buy-in. It's $5, so more or less it's $1 per share and 50 cents cost when you sell is the same. So more or less you have to have that under consideration. So now we'll be able to see it here by, excuse me, and I see it's going up already a lot. So we'll put 20, 820. That's showing us the range in which it's trading at the moment. This doji, and it looks like it will happen, no? Or not? No, it's already at 421. So this doji now is trading between 421 and 421.60. So we have to go back and put 421.01 at least if we want to get them. Actually, in the previous video I said I'm not going to get any more because we just got some at this similar price, and we can see that here when we go here. Okay, I was checking out Plug before, but if we very slow, so we bought at 422, which is almost the same price. So now we're buying at 421. Then we bought at 418 and we sold at 418. More than we lost $1 in that transaction per share. So plus the fees and everything that you know I just mentioned. And here we are. Okay, we see it didn't move far away. The range got shrinked a little bit. If you see, it's moving in that range. Now it's expanding, which might reach our target, 421.01. We can see that here, 421.53. So far is not getting there. And you see every time there's less distance between the signal and the MACD. Oh, now it opened. That's a good sign that it might go a little bit more down. 421.54, we'll put 54, I will put it there. So we'll have another 4 shares at the same price that we bought before, which is not ideal. It's not something you wanted to do. But that's because we wasted the opportunity to buy. We were too impatient, and patience pays off. And we didn't know how to use that. But we lost the opportunity to buy in this range here. So in this area here, we should have bought there, which we did buy, but then we bought here and then we sold here and we lost at the end. So, but that's how it goes. Okay, we're at 422 already, look at that. Let's go back and see. Oh, sorry, I'm getting you dizzy, I suppose. Normally when people do that, I get dizzy myself. 70, okay, 55, and see if we get it at that price, because I just saw it went down. Okay, it's going down, we got it, and we could have got it even lower, look. Now it's trading at 421.29. So we got it, that's it. We're talking about a few cents difference. And look at what's happening again, it's turning, and normally that's what happens when you get it at a lower price, is because you have a reverse in the trend. If you don't want that happening, what you can do is when you purchase the share, imagine, you can tell you want to buy it, and you buy with a stop loss, okay? So you say when Tesla, let's exaggerate, reaches, now it's at 421, reaches 425. So you say when Tesla reaches 425, I want to buy 4, okay? So that way you're making sure that you're grabbing Tesla in the uptrend, and that's really good. It's very important. However, by doing so, you know that you will lose already $4 or $5 per share. It's up to you to use this technique or the other technique. This is the more professional one, and I'm not that professional. I rather save a few bucks in each of my shares. So, and it's a risk you take. because most of the times I know it's going to turn around too. So there you go. Let's, sorry, I don't know why I click here. Let's go here and see how much we are losing again, because this is really a bummer, because this is breaking our entire theory for today. You see that we said it was going to do a parabolic, and we were following the 50, and normally the 50 should continue up. But now, with this change, we're crossing the 50, which we were supposed to bounce off the 50, and that's changing everything. So now, what's going to happen? How much are we going to fall? Are we going to go back to this area? There we can buy more, actually. We should have never sold it, because we can see in general Tesla is having a pretty strong recovery, and I'm saying it because so far it's been probably things will change, but oh well, we'll see. We'll have to wait. There's nothing we can do. I mean, the market decides what happens. And the market, it's all of us, you, me, everyone else that is trading. That's what the market decides. So it's a closed market. For someone to win, someone has to lose. For someone to lose, someone wins. So what can we do? Nothing. Try to win. Don't sell at a loss like we just did. I only sell at a loss when I see or I know it's a small loss. I try to do that. I've made the mistake many times in the past to sell at a big loss, because I thought, oh, this is never going to recover. And in most cases, it does recover. In most cases, especially when you're at rock bottom, it does recover. So let's go back to the portfolio. Let's check. Sorry, I went again too fast. Look at this. 24% is going up. We sold that one, so there's nothing that we can benefit from. But here we see the ones that today, this is showing today. So this column is percentage of today, and this is the amount of today. So that's what we would have made if we had this one, which we didn't. And because we sold it, because I had a GTC order on it, and it got sold at a low price, basically. But yeah, okay, so now we're having the hype. The hype starts more or less 15 minutes before, I would say, but this is the super hype. Already in the hype you can see here a few stocks that are doing pretty good, which they've been doing pretty good all day, I have to say. And I saw them before at 22 here, and Plug was at 12 already, and American Axle, I don't remember, but it was also pretty high. But as you can see, at this moment, things hype, and that's good to know. There's several hypes through the day, and I have some alarms set to check my portfolio, see if I can sell something in case I need to sell something, because I don't have any liquidity. But right now we have liquidity. We're doing pretty good for the day. I wish every day would be like this. And if we want to close some positions, we want to close the ones that are giving us a good margin, actually. So I'm going to check for a value. Value is the most important thing you can check. So you focus most of your energy and time in the stocks that represent the most of your portfolio. In our case, these are the two. And look how bad we are doing with the Slack, which we sold half of it, which that was a good move, I think. We should have sold it all, but you never know what's going to happen. You think, oh, now it looked like it was reaching a high point and it was going to bounce back, but it didn't happen. So Tesla is going up. I mean, it's giving us profit, even though right now it's down. Because this morning we were making in the portfolio 1,700 when Tesla was in the highest peak this morning. And that's here it had a very nice peak too. Huh? But look, Tesla, since we bought it here, it has been just going down. You remember we bought it here and it just decided to go down when most stocks go up in the peak moment. So let's go back to the portfolio. Let's see if there's something that could be sold. We have a lot of things in negative, but yeah, nothing really that, at least, you know, I like to make $20 per share, per stock when I sell it. But also you have to consider that some stocks, I've owned them for so long that even if I didn't make any money, I'm willing to sell it just to gain liquidity to buy Tesla or to buy some more powerful stocks that at the moment are better than the ones I bought before. But yeah, let's see if anything rings a bell. Nothing really. I mean, Shopify. I always say Spotify. I'm used to Spotify and not used to Shopify. So, for example, this one, it's up a lot, still at a big loss. So I don't really want to sell it. GoPro still at a loss. Okay, another way to check things is by this. Those are the ones losing the most. These are the ones making the most. Based on the percentage of today. Basically, the percentage of today is helping into the gain of the global gain. This is the global gain in this column. Based on this, it says we made $55 with this one, which, based on what I saw before, it wasn't possible. But FedEx is doing good, but we only have one share. It's like, what? I think one share of FedEx making so much? Is that possible? No, it doesn't. That's historic then. All this is historic. So we made money on FedEx before. So here we have a loss with Microsoft, but now we're making money with Microsoft. And that's the historic loss of Tesla. So Tesla has not been very good for us. Why are we sticking to Tesla? That's, you see, it's because Tesla, it's a very tricky stock. And the important thing is not to panic, not to grab a knife when it's falling. You're going to cut yourself. And that's, I cut myself many times with Tesla. So, okay, portfolio has been checked. I don't see anything that we can sell. And I might regret saying that now because tomorrow I'm sure everything that is going up now, it will be going down. I will say, why didn't I sell this one? I mean, yeah, why? Why I'm not selling American Axle? I mean, the reason being is that I set some sell targets. And normally I should be making some money out of it. Normally it's 5%, and they will sell automatically. That's what happened today with LM. And if we go here and we check it out, LM found in America, normally that should have been the 5% profit, but as I recall, I made a change. And it used to be 0.78 or 0.79, and I wanted just to get rid of it, and I put the price down. It never reached the price, and then I forgot to change it back. So I'm sure we might be break even there, but we didn't make much out of it. So look, we bought Tortoise. I didn't even remember we bought this one at such a high level. That was in one of the videos that we did today. That's okay. That's already 25th. That was on Friday. We bought. Look, we bought Slack and we sold some, and okay, we made some profit on that one. Look at that. We bought Tesla, okay, at 404 last week, and today, yeah, we are dealing $20 above that. Okay, let's go back to Tesla. Let's check it out. Yeah, for 20, it's getting there now. Okay, we just bought more or less at that level, so we're not going to buy more. So we would need to buy in case we're very going down a lot. So you wanted to have a reserve in case it goes down a lot. You can also buy some now and set a stop loss in a few of your shares. But my system doesn't allow me to do orders and stop loss at the same time for the same stock. So what would I need to do? Delete all my orders and sell them. The other option also would be to buy some and set smaller profit ranges. That we can do. I mean, that's something, it didn't occur to me, to have different price ranges, okay? We do segmentation, price segmentation, and we could have bought that at 419, and now we're gonna buy it at the same price as we did before. At the end, we're gonna have 20 shares of Tesla bought at 420, which is something I don't like. But, you know, we could have set some like target using the triangle strategy, which would be to buy one here, okay? So we said we buy one at 419, we buy two at 417, we buy three at 415. Like that, okay? We escalate the price and we make more units as the price goes down. We could have done that, and that would have been good because we could have bought more at this level, less at this level, and one or two at this level. Why didn't I do that? I was lazy. Okay, let's face it. And I was going to do it manually, basically. If I'm here and I see that it's going down, I'll buy more. So I'll try to buy some at 419, okay? I'll put Tesla let's buy 4 at 419 today. And if that doesn't go through, I'm not going to go up. I'm not going up. We'll buy then at 419 divided by 1%, we'll buy 5 at 414.85. And that one I'm going to set it as a GTC forever. We want it forever. Then we're going to buy 6 at what was it? 417.85 divided by 101. 413.71. Okay, so that's, I don't have enough to buy that one. I only have 1,000, so I could buy 2. You see? That's it. We'll put that. We'll try 3. Sometimes it goes through. It did go through. We're going to try 4. If that works. No, 3. That's it. So that's if Tesla would drop 3 percentage points, we would buy more. And we could sell any stocks that are giving us profit to buy more. So that's another option. At the moment we don't need at the moment, but then when you need it, you don't have this situation. That's why I'm looking at it again, in case we could sell something, okay? But yeah, I'd rather wait, since I see the market, it's pretty bullish at the moment. I'd rather wait, see how it goes. I don't know if we bought Tesla actually, the one at 419. We can check that out. If we put Tesla 419, it just didn't go through. I can put it a little bit higher. I say I'm not gonna change it, but I'll put 2 cents higher. In case someone sets an order to buy a 419, we are a bit higher, we'll go through before the other one. That's it. That's the only reason why I did that. But I'm not gonna change that. If it goes through, it goes through, and if it doesn't go through, it doesn't go through. We always this opportunity for $1 per share. Okay. Okay, guys, this is a good moment to ask you to like and subscribe. I hope you like it. You see how it works. If you like humor, I'm pretty cool. You know, here we're with Elon Musk in the presentation, in the middle of the presentation, doing some Tesla trading live. Okay, it's not battery day today. Okay, I'm just that's screen. Okay, so I'm not a financial advisor. Even my kids, they opened a new channel 2 days ago and they have more views than I have done in the last 2 months. So in 2 days, their channel was better. So if you have to listen to someone, listen to them, don't listen to me, okay? So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one and we'll see if this one goes through, okay?